Good morning, viewers and students. Welcome to SOSIN classes. Several of you have been our students or have been associated with us during some part of your preparation or the other. On this occasion, I would want to extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for giving us this opportunity to serve you, to help you in getting through the UPSC. At the same time, I also would want to thank our entire crew and the faculties and various other support staff for rendering their services so that we can serve as many students as possible from across the country. With the things going south on the health front across the country, once again several states and regions have been going for some kind of restriction mode or the other. Students have been once again getting struck to their homes and to the towns and villages where they are. It is in this connect we have been getting several mails and messages and calls from across the country asking us to start with new online courses of anthropology. We are highly obliged and we are really thankful to the students who have been coming up with such kind of beautiful remarks and requests. So taking this request as a command from you, we are trying to go up with new courses to begin in the May 2021. So on the 5th of May 2021, we are going to launch our next online program of anthropology. This is a program which would comprehensively address your requirements for UPSC preparation. So it's like, though summer is raining, we have to see to it that the cool course of anthropology would bring the required command and laurels to your preparation. This particular course, similar to several other courses before, is being designed to see to it that several contemporary issues from across the world of anthropology are going to be incorporated. And this course is going to be in about 90 classes with about 260 to 270 clock hours of lecturing. And this particular course also is going to focus on your writing practice. This includes a test series. What is interesting about this course is that our effort is to see to it that the students would get whatever maximum required information for the exam. So in the form of communication, in the form of classes that we take, in the form of concepts that are being explained, so that the student would be all by himself or herself once he or she undergoes this particular program. And keeping in view the kind of tight schedule in which the students actually prepare, we are trying to make the lectures power-packed, so that every lecture would help you in handling particular amount of marks for your exam. See, generally what we try to do here is we try to provide about a 340 plus score to the student. That's what is the objective with which you should be working. So if at all it is about 340 plus score that you are looking for, each class that you are attending should be able to give you about 3.5 marks. So with that focus we try to work whatever content that we design, the sequence of designing the content, and how the various things from the journal publications and various other new books that are being released into the market, we keep changing. And I personally take a lot of care in handling the students from across the country, either in terms of clarifying the doubts or maybe perhaps personally being in touch with them. Because you see, when it comes to the online mode, of course, for the last couple of years, especially in the last 1 year, several people in different parts of the country have started to taste the beauty of online learning. And from our side, we try to see to it that all the technical glitches are handled, and we try to minimize the distance between the learner and the mentor and the teacher. And hence, we are accessible to you for whatever kinds of doubts clarification is there, and then interaction with the teacher is concerned. So on that note, I welcome you to join this new course coming up in Anthropology Main Examination of UPSC in the online mode from 5th of May 2021. And to get the admission process done, you can look into the link that I'm going to provide in the comment section. And on this note, I also would want to get something interesting to some of our old students and people who have been asking for additional help in the subject of anthropology. If you have already studied anthropology, maybe a couple of years ago, maybe last year, and are looking for the new content and new questions, or maybe the current related data from various newspapers or journals, etc. For that purpose, we have actually started one now Telegram channel, SOSIN for Anthropology Q&A. The link to join I would be providing in the comments section below. This is a very beautiful program where students have been participating, and we are trying to, on a daily basis, provide the current affairs of anthropology. In fact, on our website, you can find this Anthropology News Diary on a daily basis, wherein particular areas that are significant for the UPSC main examination are being provided in the PDF form. And towards the end of this PDF itself, I am also trying to provide the kind of questions that were asked from those segments in the previous years, and based on the current affairs of that day, we would be providing 1 or 2 or 3 kind of questions that can be written by the students, and maybe perhaps they can be uploaded on the Telegram channel SOSIN for Anthropology Q&A for the peer review purpose. So this is something where students are actually finding very useful, and have been getting several positive responses from the students. And this is where I call off this small talk with you. Do not forget to subscribe to SOSIN Classes channel of YouTube, and also get into Telegram channel SOSIN for Anthropology Q&A. Please like, write and subscribe. Thank you so much.